minimum will complete the structure of the assignment. Will complete the structure of the assignment. Are you all ready? Raise your hands quickly. Ready and raise your hands. Ready and raise your hands. Okay, cool. Right. So let's move from there then. Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. Yes, right. Okay, Mom can put the list once again. Okay. Vishal, can you read the first question? In I don't think I want to read the entire assignment by now. Okay. Before the assignment, first question, Vishal, are you there? You can hear? Vishal, can you hear? කටාරින්නේ ඉතින් එහෙම බෑ. Okay. බලමු උඩින්ම ඉන්න කවුද කියලා. සුපුනි ඉන්නවා මෙතන. සුපුනි 0080. 0080. Supuni.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Read the first part of the assignment, will you, Puta? අපේ assignment එකේ first part එක කියන්නේ මේමයි assignment එකේ topic එක නෙමෙයි, I mean to say your role කියන එකේ ඉඳලා.
Your role. You are appointed as the National Sales Manager in a newly launched online retailing organization in Sri Lanka. Management of your business is requesting you to provide the detailed report on sales management approach that you may implement to new business, covering the following areas related to the online selling business. Your report should be addressed on top management and submit by 5th September 2021. You must provide evidence to support your facts that you collect during your study.
Okay, good. Now, since everybody is having the assignment, okay, now you have to underline this. Your report should be addressed to top management and submit by 5th. Okay, your report should be addressed to. Make a report format එක එන්නේ කාගෙන්ද යන්නේ කාටද යන්නේ, right? මොකක්ද subject එක. I will tell you what and what details to be included there. Okay, so you are writing this report as a national sales manager in a newly launched online retailing organization. I don't have to repeat it again because since we were discussing this, I don't have to repeat it again and again. But you're representing yourself as a national sales manager in a company, right? Which where they are planning to launch online retailing shopping cart. So your approach, your role, first of all, you got to have a clear idea about your role. You're the national sales manager there. National sales manager. පොඩි එකෙකුත් නෙමෙයි, right? පොඩි සිද්ධියක් නෙමෙයි, national sales manager. ඒතර ඒ position එකේ ඉඳලා තමයි ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. right? එතකොට මේකේ එකක් තියෙනවා, report එකක් ලියනකොට report එකට කලින් පොඩි document එකක් අපි attach කරනවා. අපි cover document එකක් attach කරනවා. ඒ document එකත් එක්ක තමයි මේ report එක submit වෙන්න ඕනේ. අර අපි ගිය පාර එහෙම එකක් නැහැනේ. ගිය පාර අපි report එක අපි executive summary එකක් කරා, අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම acknowledgement එකක් කරා. කොහොමද පටන් ගත්තේ? But here this time slight different on that part, the structure. Okay, so let's move forward with that understanding, and okay, we'll tell another person to read the other part. Demika 0019. Demika or Demika, I don't know. Demika or Demika?
Demika.
Alright, good thing. Demika. Sorry, Demika gila me orana. Right. Api task 1 එකේ part 1 part A කියවමු පුතා.
Identify the nature of an online retailing business along with the current suppliers in the market, including the specialized product category.
Okay, now there you get only 5 marks, huh? Okay, there you get only 5 marks, right? But That is a part where you are giving some kind of an overall view of online retailing operation, online retailing business. But you are getting 5 marks because most of the thing what you include here, not your effort, the things that are already there. So that is why they have limited the number of marks into 5. But if you lose this 5, you will not give a proper energy to the entire assignment. So that is one thing. Okay. Right. Then we'll give another one. Dharani, are you there? Dharani, read me the part B of the same assignment. Part B. Dharani, please read me the part B. Dharani. Dharani නැද්ද? Vishwajit, read the part B of the same assignment. Vishwajit 0023. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Part B කියවමු පුතා.
Okay, so briefly explain how you would organize your sales team structure to suit the online retailing selling business.
Right. We are talking about the sales team structure, organizing the sales team structure, right? So that part you will be doing anyway next week. All right, but we will do the content part for that. Now here you get 20 marks in total. You get 20 marks in total. You talk about the briefly explain how you would organize. So what are the things you could consider? I mean, when it comes for the sales force management, do we really need the sales force, the huge sales force involvement when it comes for online retailing operation? So study in the sense when you look at Daras, when you look at the online retailing shops, you can identify what type of salespeople they need. Do they really need? Or if so, what type of sales personalities they need? Right? What should be their approach? So based on that only, we need to identify the sales team structure. So then we talk about brief. Okay, part C. Part C එක අපි අරගමු තව එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ. Okay, okay, Sajini මට part C එක කියවන්න. Sajini part C එක කියවන්න. Sajini. Sajinit මේක on කළා තියලා කොහේ හරි ගිහලා දෙනවා. දර්ශන විමුක්ති මං හිතන දර්ශන wait. දර්ශන විමුක්ති නේද? දර්ශන shall read the part 3.
Briefly explain job description of each member in your sales team.
Okay, briefly explain job description of your team members in the sales team. Thank you, Darshan. Now see, බලන්නට කොල්ලෝ ටික ඉන්නවා ක්ලාස් එකේ, කෙල්ලෝ ටික තමයි නැත්තේ ක්ලාස් එකේනේ. සත පහකට ඉස්සරහ කරන්න නරකයි. ඉන්නවා කියලා කැමරා ඔක්කොම මේක ඔක්කොම ක්ලාස් එකේ ලොග් වෙලා ඉඳලා ඉවරලා එක්කෙනෙක්වත් නැහැ මට පේන විදිහට. හරි. Now guys, see, we need to structure our content based on this. We need to structure our content based on this. We can't just structure the content, right? We can't. Oh, let's not talk about that subject anyway, right? So now let's get into the structure part. Thank you very much for that comment. Right, now see, how are we going to do it? What is the first step? Now usually when it comes for a report, right, you have something called report summary where we did even last time. කාටද කියන්න පුළුවන් මොකක්ද ඒ කියලා? මොකක්ද අපි ඒකට කියපු නම? report එකේ summary එකට අපි මොකක්ද කියපු නම?
Conclusion. Summary.
Conclusion.
conclusion කියලා කියන්නේ කියන්නේ අපි
executive summary.
Executive summary.
summary.
Okay, executive summary. Conclusion එක කියලා කියන පුතා summary එකක් තමයි. ඒක අපි ලියන්නේ mainly assignment එක අන්තිම project report එකේ අන්තිමටම අපි පොඩි conclusion එකක් දෙනවා මේ project එක මේ විදිහට conclude වුණා කියන එක. But if we are to give some kind of an understanding about the overall project, for someone who is reading the document, they read something called executive summary. So in your document, you must have this executive summary, right? Make a TN. Okay, executive summary එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට executive summary එකට කලින් ඕනනම් ඕගොල්ලන්ට this is not a must, okay? Acknowledgement එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. අර ගිය පාර අපි acknowledgement එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. අපි අර ගිය පාර කිව්වා වගේ කියන්නේ institute එකට thank කරලා ඕගොල්ලන් support කරපු කට්ටියට thank කරලා acknowledgement එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so ඒකට පස්සේ දැන් ওই දෙකටම පස්සේ I told you there's something called cover document where you have to include in this format. Okay, you have to include a small cover document. It's kind of a memo structure, which means where you put to whom. Now we are writing this letter to the top management of your company. Top management, you can say to board of directors, from national sales manager, your name and the national sales manager. Then you can put අපි ඒ letter එකේ structure එක ගත්තොත් ඒ letter එකේ අපි from to කියන ඒ structure එක මම පස්සේ කියන්න. Then subject එක තියෙනවා, date එක තියෙනවා, subject එක තියෙනවා. Then you give a small wording saying that okay, as per your expectation, I do hereby sending you the complete report which relates to the subject what we discussed කියලා subject line එක මොකක්ද කියන එක දාන්න. දාලිවල thanking you කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ signature එක දානවා. So now when you all do a
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, ඒක එන්නේ මුලටමද?
ඔය ඒකනේ මුලටම. ඒ කියන්නේ executive summary එක.
executive page එක කලින්නේ.
executive summary එකට කලින් දාන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක issue එකක් නෑ. එතන usually දාන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ firstම document එක විදියට. ඒකයි මම කියන්නේ acknowledgement එක ඒක must නැහැ මේ වගේ document එකක. Right? You can do it perfectly okay. ඒකට ලකුණු හම්බ වෙන්නෙත් නැහැ, කැපෙන්නෙත් නැහැ. You can do the acknowledgement. So before the acknowledgement even you can put that letter. හරිද? එතකොට ඒක තමයි cover document එක. Where you talk to the management saying that okay, about your report, what you are going to whom you are going to submit that report. ඒකටත් format එකක් ඕගොල්ලන්ට දෙන්නම්. It's a very basic format where you can include your data and make it. Now let's look at the task study. Let's look at the task study. Now here when you do මම මේක ගිය පාරත් කීප දෙනෙක්ටම කිව්වා මේක task 1 එක task 1 කියලා ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. You can design the content in a way where you display the task 1 coverage. අපිට ඕක මෙතන මේ task 1 part A කියලා එහෙම ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. එහෙම අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. You can straight away design the content saying, right, this is your what? This is your task 1, right? ඒතර content එක design කරන්න ඕනේ මේ විදියට. නැත්තම් අර ඒ report එකේ තියෙන අර value එක ටිකක් අඩු වෙනවා.
So අපි වෙන තැනක report එකක් හදනවා නම් එහෙම කරාන හරියද වෙන්නේ කොහේ හරි වෙන තැනක assignment එකක් කරද්දී?
Usually report format එක කියන්නේ ඒකයි පුතා. report format එක කියන්නේ ඒකයි. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මෙහෙම අපි එහෙමනේ දැන් මේ program එක ගත්තොත් this is a strategic sales management program නේ. අපි මේකේ document එකක් පවා ලියනකොට අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ ඒ layer එකේ ඉඳගෙන. So you all have to write in being in that particular layer. ඉතින් ඕක කාට හරි කියන්න පුළුවන් නෑ ඕක මේ task 1 එක දාලා task 2 එක දාලා එහෙම ලියන්නයි කියලා. එතකොට report එකේ appearance එක පවා layman වෙනවා. So that is the reason actually you need to make sure whenever you design the content or the structure, you utilize whatever the areas to be cover and that are expected in the coverage, and by utilizing that you are designing your content.
Having the yes sir, having those numbers will be a problem in real life. You don't put those numbers and prepare a report. No, I mean when you work in a company organization. So I think it's good to have a report, I mean as you just said, not to have the numbers.
Yeah,
Otherwise
yeah, you don't have to mention task 1 task 2. No, එහෙම අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ නැහැ. That's right. So I will let you know the structure, because you need numbering. Not that you don't need numbering. You need numbering, but you don't need to mention it as a task 1 task 2 kind of.
I think can you hear me right? This is Tarushi. Can you hear? Irshan, Yashika, can you hear me? Hello. Good evening all. Can you all hear me? This is Tarushi.
Yes, we can.
Now we can hear.
You all are not talking, right?
Can hear.
Okay, fine. Sir's laptop is stuck. So give us few minutes. He'll be back soon to continue the class, right? We'll take about 1 to 2 minutes. He'll be here. Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry guys, something wrong with the laptop. Got stuck. Wait. We'll go on the screen share mode. Okay. Right. So I can't see y'all, but y'all can see. Right. Look at the. Okay, we'll do it in this. Then it's here. Easy. Let me open the assignment. Wait. Right, y'all can say this now. Right, our first one is what? Our first one, mainly I said, okay, either acknowledgement or the letter. Okay, let's say. And the second one, what we were talking about, right? So these are not the main bullet points. No, so now we are talking about the main bullet points by looking at what? By looking at our main, the points. So when we read the assignment, so it says the first point, identify the nature of online retailing business along with the current suppliers in the market, including the specialized categories. Then make it a lakunu pahak hamba වෙනවා, but I mean, we being writing a report, we shouldn't straight away jump into this. We need to give kind of a small introduction to the business. Otherwise, it will not be that much attractive when it comes for a report. We need to give a small introduction to the organization or the history and the things what you all do in the organization. But in this case, y'all taking kind of a hypothetical organization. Y'all don't have an organization. Y'all think, okay, you are working for XYZ company. It's a new company and it's not either Daras or either this or that. So you are working for a company which is hypothetically built, and that company only comes up with a new website, a multi-branded retailer website. Okay, so the company ගැන පොඩි introduction එකක් දුන්නයි කියලා ඒකට ලකුණු දෙන්න නැත්තේ it can be a imaginary organization, right? අර හිතින් මවාගත්ත organization එකක් ඕගොල්ලොන් මේ පොඩි explanation එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so you don't get any marks for that. So you can make it saying introduction to the industry. Wait. So task 1, expected coverage. Okay, මට කවුරු හරි කියන්න task 1 කියන එකට right overall topic එකක් දෙන්න task 1 කියන එකට. Overall topic එකක් දෙන්න task 1 කියන එකට. Can someone tell me an overall topic for task 1? මොකක් හරි මේ questions තුනම එක්කහු කළා right? මට කවුරු හරි කියන්න overall topic එකක් task 1 එකට අපිට දාන්න පුළුවන්, use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Can someone tell me? Guys, you all can hear, right? මට කවුරු respond කරන්නකෝ මම වැහෙනවද කියලා.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Can
sir.
hear.
Okay. So can someone tell me by looking at all 3 questions in task 1? Okay, A, B, C. මට කවුරු හරි කියන්න නිකන් overall ඒ කියන්නේ main topic එකක් අපිට හදන්න පුළුවන් ඕකට. Think, okay? මේක
company introduction.
Company introduction. එතකොට company introduction එතනින් ගත්තොත් පුතා, how can we talk about the part A, B and C? Then B එකේ කතා කරන්නේ organization sales force structure.
Online business structure.
Online business structure. Okay. Some said company profile, online business structure. එතකොට online business structure කියලා කිව්වොත් අපිට company introduction එක දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
We can explain, right?
Yes, okay, can. අපි බලමු තව. Okay, keep that also online business structure.
About the sales department.
About the sales, but you got to make sure you are covering all 3 questions briefly. කියන්නේ ඔය හරියටම නෙමෙයි, right? මොකද හිතන්නේ?
So developing online marketing.
Developing online marketing. Okay, good. What else?
Online retail business and structure.
Online retail business and structure. Okay, very good. Very good. Who was saying that? Madhushankar, neda?
Yes, sir, Madhushan.
Madhushan. Okay, online. Okay, just keep it there. Some more.
Project status.
Huh?
Project status.